Tutorial Video 3. Unboxing the battery crate. Twist the top cover latches to unlock the crate. Lift the top cover and set it aside for later. This cover will be used later as a ramp. Unlock the front panel latches and remove the front panel of the crate. Place the rear edge of the top cover over the crate's front edge. Remove the protective foam from the top cover. Loosen both of the battery's handle locks and pull on the handle to extend it, and then retighten the handle locks. Grab the extended handle and lift the battery as if it were luggage to engage the wheels on the back of the battery. Then carefully pull the battery down the ramp. The battery requires at least 3 people to safely pick it up if needed. However, since it is equipped with wheels, it can be safely rolled around by a single person when using the handle. Rest the battery on the floor near your newly installed power supply. Loosen the handle locks and collapse the battery's handle, then retighten the handle locks. Make sure the power supply box is installed and verify that the green LED is on and not flashing. Then begin charging the battery by connecting it to the power supply box with the power supply output cable. Verify that the battery is charging by checking the LEDs on the power supply box. The power supply box should have a blue LED and a green LED lit before the battery is connected. Once the battery begins charging, a yellow LED will turn on to indicate the charging status. A solid red or flashing LED indicates an error. You can also check the status LEDs on the front of the battery for current state of charge.